Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a median to a pivot table. So it's always something that I was struggling with because everyone tells you you can't add a median to a pivot table and they show you some very long workarounds, but today I'm going to show you how to add it. So to get started, you need to make sure that you have Power Pivot available in Excel. This will only work for the Windows version of Excel. It will not work on Mac as of 2024 unless they decide to do an upgrade, which would include Power Pivot. So to add Power Pivot to your Excel, you just go to File, Options, Add-ins, and it's going to be a COM add-in, and then it's already added on my computer, but it would be right here under Inactive Application Add-ins. You would go ahead and click on it and hit Go. Then you would check the box for Power Pivot for Excel and hit OK. And then you will see this in your ribbon up above. It will say Power Pivot and you will have some more options. So for today, what we would like to do is we would like to find the median values for columns C, D, and E. And the reason why we want to use median is because you can see here we have some outliers. This one was 1 minute, this one was 100 minutes, so it's going to throw off our average. So for this data, a median would be a better use to show an actual value here on how we're performing overall, because like I said, we'll get rid of these two outliers. So the first thing we're going to do is insert a pivot table, and let's just put it right here. And then what you have to do here is check this box to add this data to the data model and hit OK. So now over here we have our options. We have our headers as options. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go to Power Pivot. We are going to go to Measures. We're going to hit New Measure. And what we want to do is rename it. So the measure name will be Median to CT Start. That is exactly what my description is going to be as well. So I am just going to copy and paste it. So we're going to go ahead with the median formula. We want to do door to CT start, parentheses, and hit OK. And like I said, we want to do these other columns as well. So we are just literally going to do the same thing. Median start to read, copy, paste, equal median, CT start to read, close our parenthesis, hit OK. And then our last one is door to drug. So one more. Median door to drug. Copy it. Drug. And hit OK. So now we have a median for each of these columns. I could also add other things if I wanted. Maybe you want to see the average for these as well. Right now it's on sum, so you would just go over here, click on this, field value settings. Let's do an average. So now you can see our median door to CT start is 13 minutes, but our average is 25. So this 13 is a much better tell for how our process is going, because again, something was going on with this patient. Maybe they had to do a couple other things before going to CT. So we throw that outlier out. All right, well, let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below, and I will be happy to answer them for you. Thank you for tuning in.